Today it's time to change my chain for the first time. I've been riding for just under 35 hours. I'm not sure how long you usually ride before you change your chain. It was the last hours it started to be a little bit more wear on the chain. I was riding more in mud and water. So I think it is time to do it now. The sprockets looks like there is no wear at all then, but when I check the chain, I guess this means that it's time to replace it. So I'll do that now, and I will replace it with an O-ring chain. I've bought a D.I.D O-ring chain this time, so we'll see how that turns out. Let's start with removing the master link. Like that. There it goes. Okay, take this one out. Well, let's take a look at the new chain. Here it is, oily and nice. I'm going to try to be a little bit lazy or smart, clever, what you prefer to say. And it should be a couple of links too long, of course. Let's see when it gets here. Here it is. And a couple of links needs to be shortened. So that's the next step. Looks like it's this one here. So let's see if I can get it off. I think it's coming now. Okay, here it is. And go back. Here we go. Save this for later. Okay, let's get the master link back in place. O-rings are on. The other ones. Oops. I need to press it back. Okay, let's see. Okay. Really nice with these tools. Didn't have before. Makes it a lot easier. So it's back on, and I just had to fix, tighten it up a little bit because it's a little bit loose. Let's see if I need to take another link or not. So let's do that. So everything is back on. I've tightened the chain, looks better. So now I just have to see if I will feel that it will take more power from the engine to get this around, since they say It's more heavy for the engine with O-ring chains. With that said, thank you very much for watching, and if you got through the video this far, please consider to like the video and subscribe for more content. If you're interested in more tips and tricks for maintenance for this Kamax KMX 250MT, so then you can check the video here. And see you another time. Until then, have a great day.